So peaceful. Sound of the birds and a snoring pug. Just found this little shady spot. And I think we're going to head back. There's a little pug that's very tired.